Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're at the Magic Kingdom for one last ride on Splash Mountain. Come on in, check it out. So guys, yes, as I said, we will be riding Splash Mountain for the very last time. Splash Mountain is going to be rethemed to the Tiana Bayou Adventure, I believe will be the official name of the new ride, based upon the movie Princess and the Frog. We're getting close. Little information about Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain actually opened here at the Magic Kingdom, if I can remember right, October of 1992. So been here for what, over 30 years. 92 was the year I graduated high school too, so. But yeah, we're making our way over and we're gonna enjoy our last ride. We'll show you some clips of the ride. Over here near Splash Mountain, and there is the famous drop as you come out the top. And then you kind of go around this way, loop around, and then you come back and you kind of finish the ride back there. But just kind of want to show you guys, you know, this is gonna all be changing. And Disney definitely does change their theming. They change their rides quite often, so this is not to be unexpected by any means. Here comes a flume ride right now.
I was like, now see you go up that and then I'll go down. See it? That's straight line. And then
So yes, last week in the ride, guys, I was just, you know, kind of saying that, you know, Disney changes rides a lot.
Yeah.
And what they're doing is they're just retheming this ride.
Yeah.
You're still, I would imagine, going to have the nice drop and the same kind of tracking system.
I think it's going to
I would believe. But through time and through history, if you are familiar with Disney, they change rides a lot.
Yes.
They add in brand new rides and they retheme rides. This isn't anything new.
No, correct. Disney does that all the time.
But what I wanted to talk about before we get on, look, I'm a little emotional riding Splash Mountain because I have a lot of great memories with, of course, Roberta. Jake, come on over here, man. And Jake.
Yeah.
We got to ride with Jake his very first time ever on Splash Mountain. I got to ride with all three of my children at some point, right? Mariah and Lucas. I got to ride with my grandchildren on this. So today we're just kind of, you know, we're just remembering a lot of the fun times that we have had on Splash Mountain. And we're also, though, right, we're anticipating the Tiana Bayou Adventure.
I can't wait for that.
Yeah, it's going to be beautiful, right?
Yeah.
So I can guarantee you, even though this is changing, what they will replace it with, you know, is going to be just as amazing.
And we're going to bring POV as well.
Of the Tiana, as soon as it's out.
We do have a POV, which I'll put it in.
We do have a POV of this ride here. We'll drop the link. But today, as we go through the ride, we will show some bits and pieces.
Yeah.
So guys, join us for a farewell ride.
Yeah.
Splash Mountain. This is it.
This is it.
Let's go do it.
This is it.
This is it. Jake, I want to ask you something. We're going to keep rolling. Jake, what's your favorite memory or time you had on Splash Mountain?
Probably that tonic.
That drop?
Yeah,
that's your favorite part? Yeah. And how do you feel about the last ride?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. But Tiana's Adventure, we're Bayou Adventure, and we'll be riding it again in about what? Year and a half? Unknown. Sometime in 2024, supposedly. All right, guys. Just wanted to get, I know you on Medling World, I know you guys love Jake. Actually, speaking of Medling World, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Let's get ready for our last plunge down Splash Mountain. Getting ready to go inside here, Splash Mountain. Let's do it. Ashley here. Ashley, what are we doing? What did you say?
We are taking the last splash.
Last splash with our friends Ashley, Chris, Grace, Roberta, Jake, and Matthew. Let's head on. Here we are.
I didn't realize you were splitting. I screwed the number up.
The last splash. Splash Mountain. Here we come. Entering in. Oh, yes. So fun. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Everybody getting inboard, and we're getting ready to go. We brought picnic on the last ride. Yes, the Figment popcorn bucket is going on Splash Mountain.
Where rat is looking for a landing place, per se. So in the world, if you ask me.
Just to show you guys as we go around the last time. I want to show you as much as I can. Woohoo! We're bringing Ashley's dad down Splash Mountain on the phone right now. Hey, Mike. Here's a nice little drop, guys. This one is a little warm-up drop. It's called Slippin' Falls. Just a little mini one. Show you, this might be about, Jake and I are totally drenched at this point. Guys, we are getting ready for our final journey here up the falls for the final splash. A little dark, but it'll be light in a minute. Are you ready for the last splash? Splash Mountain! Oh yes, we love it.
Love mucky water at 65 degrees.
Ah yes, so fun. As we are coming out now to the exit queue, we'll take a walk through the retail shop as we exit. Let's see if they actually have anything in there. There was not a lot of merch for the past several months, but let's go find out. I don't think, guys, I ever got that wet on Splash Mountain. I'm soaked. I'll try to show you when we get outside, but just kind of wanted to come through. Very dark in here. This is where you can get your pictures. People definitely getting their last pictures here, guys, from Splash Mountain. Most of the time when you come out of the ride, there's nobody even there. So just looking for merch, not seeing any Splash Mountain merch at all in here. Although, yes, they still do have the collectible pennies, the Splash Mountain collectible pennies there. So that's about all they have. But we've already have that set, so. Wow. Let me step out, guys, as we wrap up this video. Let me get some light just to kind of show you. So, like, I've never been this wet on Splash Mountain. Very wet, soaking wet, hair's wet. We had a lot of fun, guys. Thank you so much for watching Medling World today. Many more vlogs coming from Disney, Universal, cruising, all around Central Florida, international travel. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!